Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking. So today's video is just a random video and I'm going to try this braided afro wig. So I'll share a tutorial with you on how to make the same style but now with baby hair. I'll use a 360 lace cap. Yeah, so just comment down below guys if you love this style, if you love this color, and also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one. I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. Okay, so this is the wig. It has afro and then it has an adjustable strap, so you can either use the adjustable strap or you can sew an elastic band on it just to make it more secure, and also you can add combs to this hair to make it more secure. I'm going to apply this oil for this hair. Actually I love the smell of this oil. So when you're trying these braided wigs, especially the ones that don't have closure or frontal, make sure your lines are neat. Like you can see mine, they're not neat, but I just have to try this wig on today. So make sure your cornrows are neat so that the wig is like flat on your head.